Hello friends, this is your astrologer Sandeep Kataria and I welcome you on this channel. I would like to congratulate and thank all those people who have been associated with us for a very long time now. I would also like to welcome the new visitors who are watching this video for the first time or on this channel for the first time. In this video, we have a lots for you. We will talk about the general trends, career, money, finance, relationship, marital life, health, family and education for your zodiac sign. In addition to that, we are also going to discuss about the transit of the planets and important dates and festivals this month. So please watch the video till the end to get full benefit of astrology. Before starting the predictions, let us quickly understand the transit of planets over your horoscope this month. Sun enters Libra on 17th of October. Venus enters Virgo on 23rd of October. Mars enters Pisces on 4th of October in retrograde motion. Jupiter remains in Sagittarius, Mercury remains in Virgo, Saturn remains in Capricorn, and Rahu remains in Taurus, while Ketu remains in Scorpio. Unnecessary confusion can lead to mental stress. You may make a habit of settling down things peacefully. If you want to make some changes in your career, it would be possible to do so this month. Just get into action. Begin with making some changes in yourself and then softly change your environment and others. Overall, this month can bring for you some favorable promises for your career. You can impress clients, seniors and colleagues with your good communication skills. Some of the natives may get a new job this month. People in business under this sign can apply some new tactics and methods to earn profits. At the same time, you may do some investment to give your business a new direction. Some Leo natives may see sudden increase in their income. Income of Leo natives who are in the business or self-employed will also improve this month, due to which you will be able to have a better lifestyle. At the same time, you may have to help your sibling financially. This month, the affairs of your family are unlikely to be smooth, since the combination of planets is not too favorable. The family atmosphere is likely to be vitiated with strife and discord, with no signs of harmony among the members. In such a domestic atmosphere, children would also have unwanted influence. For example, there could be property-related arguments within the family. In case you face too much of these issues, you must discuss with your parents or elders of the family and take their advice about it. Talking about your love life, you may have some difference of opinion with your spouse or love partner this month due to some ego-related issues. Or your partner may have a complaint that your siblings are taking too much of your time and attention. Since there are chances of misunderstandings between your beloved, you should try to avoid any kind of misunderstanding emerging in the mind of your spouse. Overall, your married life and relationship will remain normal if you take due care. Before proceeding ahead, I'd like to ask you that are you interested to know how to read your own horoscope? Are you interested to learn astrology? Would you like to understand the divine plan and align your life's planning with the divine plan? If your answer is yes, then there is a good news for you. I am conducting a workshop and the professional charges are almost zero. Yes, it is a very minuscule amount which you have to pay. And how would you join? Well, you have to go to the description box below and you have to click on the link provided there. Just click the link and you would be registered by paying their small amount. So what are you waiting for? I am going to conduct the workshop myself and I am waiting to meet you in the workshop. This month your academic prospects look quite brighter since the hint from the planets is favorable this month. Those pursuing creative arts such as music, dance, drama, painting, sculpture, etc. are likely to have an inspired period of grand creative activity. In fact, some of these people could go on to significant achievements during the course of this coming month. Technical students would also fare quite well in their studies. this would be quite a helpful month for most of the Leo students. The Leo natives will have to look after their health this month due to various reasons. Some natives may suffer from eyes and ENT related problems, while some natives may suffer from knee pain or chronic stomach problems. First of all, do not suffer silently and see your doctor immediately. Along with this, follow general health tips such as keeping your body hydrated, doing yoga or exercises, taking nutritious food, etc. The good news is, even though you may face some health challenges this month, but mentally you will remain strong. If you have time and inclination, you may think of starting a side business. In this section, we share some important days and festivals in this month. 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti. 16th October, Adhik Maas ends. 17th of October, Navratri start. 24th of October, Mahanavami. 25th of October, Dashera or Vijayadashmi. 30th of October, Sharad Purnima. 31st of October, Maharishi Valmiki Jayanti.
In case you want to watch this video in Hindi, then we have uploaded the same video in Hindi also, and the link is given in the description box below. Friends, please do give us a lot of motivation by liking the video and sharing it with a lot of your friends and relatives. I wish you a very happy and prosperous month ahead.